Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So I thought I'd try something a little bit different today. So I thought we could look at what to do with inappropriate fish or aquarium related presents. So you get a present for Christmas and you're a keen fish keeping or aquascaping hobbyist, but maybe uncle and auntie or grandma, granddad don't really know much about it, but they know you like it, so they go to Pets at Home or wherever and get you something fish related, aquarium related, but it's not appropriate and you don't want to use it and you're too polite to take it back and tell them. So you want to use it for something, and I thought today I'd show you how to use that inappropriate aquarium gift. So let's have a go.
Merry Christmas, Peter. I know you like fish, so I got you something nice. Here you go.
Oh, sick one, Grandad. Let's get it open.
Your grandma and I spent a long time in Pets at Home searching for the perfect gift. I hope you like it.
Oh yeah, it's going to be brilliant. Thanks very much. Okay. Oh, brilliant. Thank you. A 5.5 litre fish tank. Thanks. Okay, so you've got your inappropriate but very well meaning Christmas present. In this case it's a 5.5 litre aquarium, so not suitable for fish, maybe shrimp, but yeah, not suitable for fish. So we're going to make use of this by doing something a little bit different, and it's also really fun to create, so let's have a go. So here it is in all its glory. Actually quite a cool looking thing once it's all lit up, but inappropriate for fish. So what I'm going to do with it is create a terrarium, but I'm not going to use anything fancy. I'm going to go out into the local woodland and I'm going to find some cool mosses, maybe some rocks, twigs, branches, various things out in the woodlands. I'm going to create a little miniature woodland inside this aquarium. Let's get outside. Okay, so because this terrarium's so small, you want small details to make it look a bit larger. So moss is perfect. I mean, look at this beautiful moss covering this old tree stump here. So I'm going to peel some of that off, and we can use that to create our own miniature forest. So let's pop that in the bag and let's find some more.
Oh, I know that you go, my love, I think I'm yours. My dreams, like trees, I hope one day they'll grow, and I want to hold your hands when it is cold. So I wait, but you hate. You have so much to say. For you, I'm true. go, my love, I'll pick up yours. My dreams, like trees, I hope one day they'll grow, and I want to hold your hand.
Right, so we're back from our foray into the woods to forage in our foray. Okay, so we're back from our little adventure into the woods. We've got a big bag full of goodies from the wild. So here's the inappropriate fish tank. Let's just put some stuff in. So I'm sort of making it up as I go along here. I brought home some Aquaforest lava substrate, which I'm going to put into the bottom just as act as like a draining layer, so it doesn't get too waterlogged and mushy down at the bottom. So I'll put a layer of that in first, and that will just help with the drainage. Alright, so whilst I was out as well, I just grabbed a few handfuls of the like the soil and rotting matter that was all over the woodland floor. I'm just going to put a top layer of that over the Aquaforest lava soil, and that will just give all the moss and everything nutrients and help lock in the moisture, and also make it look really authentic. I've got bits of twig and little bits of leaf and stuff in here, another bit of moss there. So we're looking to create a miniature piece of the woodland that we've just been walking around, that beautiful woodland. Here we go. You can see there, pick the camera up. Right, so there we go. That's the substrate layer in, some lava soil and just the soil from the woodlands with leaf litter, and that's all our lovely materials that we've found. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to put some old leaves in, because that will hopefully, if this is a long-term terrarium, it might break down and help feed the mosses and everything. I don't know, I'm not an expert, but we'll see. Okay, so next we want to start adding some of our materials. So I think I'll do like I do in aquascaping. Add the rocks first. So I've got these couple of rocks that I found in the soil. I'm not going to be too artistic with it because I want it to look really natural. There we go. And of course, moss grows on the rocks and around the rocks. So we'll put some of that in at the front here. That can come right up to this bizarre shaped corner of this aquarium. There we go. And we've got this lovely, I think it's maybe cushion moss, I'm not sure. But that looks really cool. So, back corner. And the good thing about this moss is you can break it, so you can just break little bits off. So we saw when we were out there that it grows in sort of clumps, so you don't have to worry about it looking too clumpy, because that's how it grows. Okay, so that's that. And I also found this plant. I'm not sure what it is. Someone will be able to tell me in the comments. What's this plant? Nice small leaves, so it kind of adds to the scale of it. Hopefully that'll perk up once the light's on and it's all settled in. There we go. Now we've got the back and the middle to grow. So I found this lovely bit of moss at the base of a wood stump. So that is going to go centre there. in between the rocks. And we've got some lovely bits of wood. Now I really like this because we can add some little bit of height to it with this. So what I'm going to do, I'll put the camera down and I'll break the wood to make it fit. Right, so here's this lovely pointy bit of wood. So I'm just going to, I'll see if I can snap it with my strength. Yeah, I'm really strong. So I think a bit more needs to come off to fit in there. Oh, bits come off the bottom there. Oh, that's really nice. Sort of broken into shards. There we go. Lovely. That can be positioned in the back. We've got this bit, slightly thicker bit, there's some lovely moss on it. Can go into. We've got this slightly wider piece. I'm going to leave all the dirt and everything on it because that's what makes it look natural, but I am just going to break it so it fits in. That will hopefully lie across the back. Perfect. Now we've got some little detailed twigs. So these were all over the floor in the woodland, so that's what I want to have in mine as a little woodlouse. That'll do well in there. Here we go. So the little twigs, these can be broken up. Another bit of wood with moss on there. It's going to fit in the corner. So you could even use aquascaping tweezers to do this. I didn't really think of that, but that would be really good. Go. Now we've got this last piece of moss which is going to fill the back up. Okay, I think we're done. I'll switch the light on and I'll show you. And there we go. Our little piece of native British woodland in our homes. Wouldn't that make a perfect bedside lamp? There's all kinds of little bugs and things in there that have come in off the woods. Really easy to make and so much better than trying to keep fish in a tank like this.
You're welcome. Now where are the mince pies?